Hi guys, I'm Emma and I'm a senior in mechanical engineering at Penn State. I'm here today to talk to you about a special kind of fluid called a non-Newtonian fluid. In your classes at school, you've probably talked about the three different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. These states of matter cause a material to take on different shapes and sizes. A solid, like Play-Doh, has its own size and shape. You can rearrange the shape that it's in, but it will hold the shape that you give it. A liquid has a definite size, but no definite shape, so it will take on the shape of the container that you put it in. And a gas has no size or shape. Different factors, like temperature and pressure, can affect what state of matter something is in. What you may not know is there's also a fourth state of matter. We call it a non-Newtonian fluid, and it can be both a liquid and a solid at once. But that is crazy, so how does that even happen? Well, that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. The non-Newtonian fluid I have here today is called Oobleck. Some of you might have read about it in this Dr. Seuss book about this weird goo. It looks like a pretty normal liquid at first, right? But when I pick some up and give it a squeeze, you can see it becomes more like a solid. And then as soon as I stop applying a force to it, it starts to drip through my fingers. This is because of the fluid's viscosity, or resistance to flow. So what's happening here is the more force or pressure that I apply, the more it behaves like a solid. We call this fluid a non-Newtonian one because Sir Isaac Newton stated that liquids behave in predictable and consistent ways. But our Oobleck here obviously does not follow Newton's rules, so we call it non-Newtonian. The properties of this Oobleck allow us to do some pretty cool things. If we had a huge pool full of Oobleck, we could run across it, bike across it, even play soccer on top of it, so long as we're constantly putting a downward force on the top of the Oobleck. As soon as we stop moving, we would start to sink. We could also drop an egg covered in Oobleck from 10 feet off the ground, and the Oobleck would protect it from breaking as it lands. Pretty cool, right? You can make your own Oobleck using ingredients you have at home. All you'll need is cornstarch, water, and some food coloring. Start by putting the cornstarch into a bowl, then start to slowly add the water. Use a spoon to stir the mixture. This part is kinda tough. The mixture will start to look like this. You'll notice that the mixture doesn't even splash if you drop something like a marble onto it. Thanks for listening, and have fun!
Like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you.